Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. So you guys have been hearing about my product S&P Lux for some time now, which you can purchase in the stores, but I want to demo it for you. Okay, this is real life stuff. So basically it's like this. What I'm showing is I have this tattoo. This is just me daily walking around. You see what my hand looks like? All right, and the way this thing spreads is pretty amazing. You don't need much at all. So just about that much, right? And as you rub it in, you will see actually soaks very much into the skin. Actually, this one I even took too much. But even with too much, you guys will see how much it will soak into the skin, right? And the key thing there is that it leaves a very smooth surface. But most importantly is that it brings the color out.